Yeah, this is my sisters. They're being like retarded up. I'm Lizzie. Oh my gosh! That's Cassidy being a freak. You gotta get a good look at me. We're like beating each other up on my trampoline. There's my house. Oh yeah. There you go. Angela's like 10 and Isabel's like 5, so she's like a half year younger than her or something like that. And they're like beating each other up. Look at us, look at. Oh yeah. Ew, it's freaks! It's a freak show! You're just the audience. I'm not a freak. I'm videotaping you freak yourself and beat up all the Oh my gosh! I'm gonna join. Can I join? No. Can I join? I'm gonna join. It's a freak! Videotape me and Linda beating up each other with Isabel included. It's the threesome fight. Oh, my boob! My boob! She said that. Look at the camera. She said it. I hurt my boob. I hurt my boob. Oh my gosh, she hurt her boob. I'm holding her back, Isabel. Hit her, Isabel. Go. I'm holding her feet. I'm holding her feet. Let me out. Okay, go. Isabel, beat me up. Ow! I'm gonna beat Isabel, come here.